Let's talk about coaching in an IT environment. Specifically, whether or not we're coaching project teams that are doing some sort of waterfall development, or we're coaching agile teams that are doing agile development. Coaching is really an activity to help people perform better. So coaching really fits within agile because agile, as we know, and sometimes we refer to it as lean agile, is really based on some really common principles and values that are really central to those frameworks. And it's really about continuous improvement. And we start looking at continuous improvement, not only do we continuously improve as individuals, but then the question becomes, how do we continuously improve as team members? How do we continuously improve as an overall squad, as an organization? How do we continuously get better? Well, one of the ways we can continuously get better is through coaching. And part of that coaching, what makes a coach successful, one, certainly is competency, but two, this ability to servant lead and be able to have this calling where we can support people in the development of particular activities, whether or not that's something at a process level, whether or not that's something more technical on the team, whether or not that's helping an organization or enterprise to transform, to develop new ways of working. Coaching is really at the central point to enabling teams to be more successful and helping teams and organizations get beyond any potential inertia that may exist and/or any sort of storming that may exist due to just sometimes a common lack of understanding. Coach can come in, they can help kind of redefine or reorientate folks to the model and the behaviors that really make the most sense. The methods that we use are based on these ideas of quality and lean concepts are really focused on this idea of Kaizen, continuous improvement, and what better way to focus on continuous improvement is to be able to, at times, reflect on activities that we've accomplished, things that have went well, things that haven't gone well, and things that we can do to improve in the future, and putting those into play in a way that allows us to adapt new methods and develop new ways of working to become more effective, deliver software quicker, get product to market quicker, help improve communication. There's lots of different things that coaching can do to help not only teams perform at their highest level, but transform organizations and help companies as a whole perform at their highest levels as well. Who on an agile team serves as a coach? Well, ultimately that really comes down to the role of the Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is the process owner, just like a product owner owns the product and the business strategy, and the team, the development team, owns the delivery of the work that's in that backlog. The Scrum Master really owns the process, and they are really in the best position to, one, define the process and help keeping the team on track. But we also see agile coaches, people coaching agile teams, so maybe they're supporting a Scrum coach or example, a Scrum Master that's new, that's never really coached the team. Of course, in a project environment, maybe a PM can be a coach. There's certainly a lot of experienced project managers that know how to structure teams, that understand team dynamics. Certainly as a coach, you want to be able to build trust, and you do that through rapport, you do that through understanding. Certainly empathetic listening is absolutely critical, and it's one of the key ways of really connecting with somebody on a particular topic or in a particular moment, and potentially helping that person, serving that person in a way that you both grow, in that particular moment to learn something new or solve a particular problem.